Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel The Social Pie. I am Ayan Khan and today in this video we are going to find the factorial of 1 half. Okay, so let's start the video. Okay, we know that n factorial is n into n minus 1 times n minus 2 times n minus 3. Okay, so on into 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, this is n factorial. There is one more function called the gamma function. Gamma of n is n minus 1 factorial. Now this can be represented in the form of integral, that is integral from 0 to infinity x to the n minus 1 times e to the negative x dx. Okay, like this. Now if we want to find the integral from find the factorial of n using the gamma function, so if you plug gamma of n plus 1, so this will be equals to n plus 1 minus 1, so plus minus cancel, that's n factorial. Okay, and this is equals to integral of 0 to infinity x to the n minus 1 plus 1, that's n times e to the negative x dx. Okay, now if you plug 1 half here, so this is 1 half factorial, and here it is integral from 0 to infinity, this is x to the power of 1 half times e to the negative x dx. Okay, now this is equals to integral from 0 to infinity, that's square root of x times e to the negative x dx. Okay, now we can actually solve this by using the u substitution. So that is, let u equals to square root of x. Okay, so du will be 1 by 2 root x, but root x is u here. Okay, so this will be 1 upon 2u du. So yes, so du actually it's dx. Okay, dx, it's du, so dx will be equals to 2u du. Okay, now if you plug back to this integral, that is integral and the limits, so u is equal to square root of x, so when x is equal to 0, u is still equals to 0. Okay, when x is equals to infinity, u is still equals to infinity. Okay, now this was square root of x, so that will be u times e to the negative x, so this is e to the negative. Now u is equals to square root of x, so if we get the value of x, that is u square, x is u square, so if you plug here, that is e to the negative x square, u square. Okay, times dx is 2u du, so this is 2u du. Let's simplify this integral, so we get, this is a constant 2, so we can factor out, so this is 2 times integral of 0 to infinity u into u, that's u square times e to the negative u square du. Okay, now we can use a small trick here, that is we can factor u, so that is in 2 times integral of 0 from 0 to infinity u into u times e to the negative u square du. Okay, now we can use the integration by parts to solve this. Okay, so I will differentiate this part and integrate this part. Okay, so that is u times integral of this part. Okay, u times e to negative u square, that is negative e to the negative x square upon 2. Okay, minus the integral of, okay, so this is u is 1. Okay, so we get 1, and the integral of this part, this is negative x square. Okay, derivative of u is 1 here, so we get 1 upon 2. Okay, like this, and this is equals to, this is u and this is also u. Okay, du. Okay, from 0 to infinity. Okay, so this is the first part of the answer, and we have 2 here. So this is 2. This goes from 0 to infinity. Okay, now we can so if we plug these values, so this one actually, if we plug in infinity here, so this goes to 0, minus, if we plug 0, that's 0. Okay, minus, now 1 into negative e to the negative u square upon 2. So we can factor out 1/2 here. This is 1/2 times, now if we see here, this negative comes out, so this is positive. Okay, minus into minus, that's a positive. Okay, now e to the negative u square, integral from 0 to infinity. If we look at the Gaussian function, that is integral from negative infinity to infinity. Okay, this is e to the negative x square dx. We get the answer as square root of pi. This is a famous integral. Okay, and here we have integral from 0 to infinity, e to the negative x square dx. Okay, so this is half of this, so we get square root of pi upon 2. Okay, so that is square root of pi upon 2. Here we have a 2 here. Now if we solve this one, so we get 2 times 0 into 0, that's 0. 2 into 1 by 2, that's cancelled out. Okay, so we get the answer as square root of pi upon 2. So the answer of 1 by 2 factorial is square root of pi upon 2. So guys, thanks for watching my channel. Please subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.